So what I'm going to explain right now is called filter context. Okay, the filter context is one of the most important understand flow the data, how data flow. Okay, so let me share. Okay, so now here, if you see over here, if I just show this two part over here, if I say this two part over here, just think about it. This one is a product category and this one is a product subcategory. Okay, so see, like that means data is flowing this way and then it is flowing this way. So then this product and flowing this way. So that means if I wanted to see category wise some order, I can see that. If I wanted to see subcategory wise some order or sale or like how much profit, everything from here we can see that. And also this is a product table. So product wise also we can see that. But but order wise I cannot see the product, or order wise I cannot see the subcategory because data cannot flow in a opposite direction. Okay, data cannot flow opposite direction. Okay, data cannot flow opposite direction. So how I can prove that? Let me prove this. I'm going to show you product category and product subcategory. Okay, these two. You will see, product is going this direction. Product category only we have like a four of them, and product subcategory at least each category has number of more of them. Okay, so this is the two product category and product subcategory. Okay, so now if you go to our visual over here, report view, and over here if you want how you wanted to show that, you can just simply take a table. Okay, and then I can put over here product category and subcategory. Only these two table I'm talking about. Okay, product category has a product name, so I'm putting product name. So I have only four category. Okay, accessories, bike, cloth, and component. Okay, so product subcategory also I can click another table. Oh no. Okay, I'm going to take another table. Okay, so this is another table and I'm going to put product subcategory. Okay, product subcategory name also. Okay, subcategory name. So I'm putting subcategory name. Okay, so here is the two table. No, so look over here. So how the data is flowing over here? You can see data flowing this way. Product category name going subcategory. So that the way it is the arrow also. Look over here. If I go to the table, okay, data flowing product category, the product category, and then is flowing product subcategory towards the subcategory. Okay, pay attention this. Okay, so from category to subcategory, category to subcategory. Okay, category to subcategory. So now category to subcategory. That means if I click this, it should be changed. If I, because this data flowing this way, no, if I click bike, it will only show me the bike. If I put clothes, it only showing me the clothes. Okay, if I say accessories, it's showing all the accessories. Okay, but look over here. If I click, if I click any one of those, see, if I click bike, is that nothing happen. If I click in, nothing happen. You see, if I click here, nothing change. Why? Because data cannot flow opposite direction. Okay. If I click this, nothing happening here. Okay. So that means data cannot flow the opposite direction. See this arrow, it cannot flow towards the one side. Always data flow towards the many side. Okay, see, data always flow towards the many side. Okay, so now So now, if I wanted to make flow data flowing this way, so if I want to flow data also this way, what I have to do? Okay, what I can do, if I can change this direction to the both side, then it will flow. But that is not a good idea to do it. It is data integrity sometimes create a problem. We try to avoid that. If it is very complicated data, then we might do that, but mostly we will not do that. So how we can do that? Look, if I double click here, so this is the edit relationship page open. Okay. So now over here is a single direction. Okay. Over here, look, single. If I click over here, I say both. Okay. So applies this. You don't need to also, but equal is okay. So now this is going to be both side now. See, look over here. If I say this, did you see that? See, look, the direction is a both side right now. Okay. So direction is both side. Now, if you go over here, if you click outside, if you click, make sure make sure everything is. So now if I click this side, it is going to change. If I click this side, it is going to change. Okay. But if I click that side also going to change. See, if I click this side, also going to change because now we put the arrow in a both side. Did you see that? Everything is changing the both side now. So that is called data flow. Data, actually we try to always pay attention data flow towards the many side. Okay, so if you go to the data over here, see all this arrow, you will see it is going towards the foreign key side or many side. Okay, and also data filtering, it is called filter context. Okay, so filter always happen towards the arrow side, filter happen, but opposite the arrow does not happen. But since I change over here in a both side, that's why you see it. Okay, so actually we should not do that mostly. So we come over here and keep it single. Okay. All right. So now we can see data flowing just single. So that is the data flow context. Hopefully everybody clear. Is everybody okay with this? Understand clear, James?
Yes, yes, I understood what you said. Thanks.
It is clear. No? Okay. Thank you.